Hey, David here. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Um, Looking at Monday's trading. Today is April 4th, 2022. Um, See if there's anything I want to do right now. Set up the charts right now. Looking at the last half hour trading is what my plan is right now. The 2 to 2:30. About a half an hour away from doing that. 40 minutes or so away from that area. You can actually put a Fibonacci extension on this one, can't you? Looking pretty good. See if we can make that work here on extensions. So it's made that. 50% would bring it to 103. What does that say? 103.79. Let's move this over a little bit. .4%, 81.8%, 104.42 in the close. And now that we're doing that, let's go ahead and look at the other side, retracement. Just about made it back to 50%, right? So that retracement's already happened in a way. This is on the 15-minute chart. All right, so let's pull this off screen and take a look at what I've set up for the day. Obviously, I will not take this kind of stop, but today is 7.05. It translates out to 71. You have a 1P at 87 coming into the day and 1.5 at 130. And that's what I've set up here, 71. And you can see 86, 130. Trading 2, it's the plan. Let's move this off screen. Open, high, low, close. What's that say? 100.48. We already run all the GAN numbers today. Magic number. What's the market up today? It's up how far is it up today? Not sure. It's not. I have to find that. I was looking at my market analyzer and I don't see. I can see last price, but this color scheme sucks. Have to work on that. All right. So what I do know though is the open was 98.95 today. Our high is 103.71. The low is 98.05 today. It's a pretty big range still. So obviously there's things that I'm still getting used to as it relates to NinjaTrader as opposed to some of the easy things that I could find on CTS platform. So I got my 15-minute off screen right now, and I'll toggle between 15 minutes and an hourly, 60 minutes in this case. So that's what I got up right now is the 60-minute chart. and I'll toggle between that and the 15-minute and the 10-minute off screen, see if there's anything I want to do. Here's an interesting setup. We got a GAN signal coming in the charts here. Let me get my screen draw tool out. It's be quicker. No, that's not a straight line, but 1, 2, 3. X marks the spot down there. Going back to the R1 line. I like that. I like that setup. I'm going to try to take it on.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So 102.28. Really don't want to take a loss above 38 right now. See if we can put this in. Whoops.
Order canceled.
Shit. I didn't mean to do that. Let's get back
Order
in if
filled.
we can. So I wanted to right click this. Put in 2.
Order submitted.
That's where our stop is right now. It'd be 10 ticks above this high. This is 71 ticks away right up here. This will clear up before. In fact, we can go ahead and get rid of that. But we'll keep it on there just in case. So let me get my trend line on this chart. Maybe we can get our trade and get out of here. So what I'm looking at right now basically is this. Coming back to the R1 line is our target, roughly. Let me pause here for a sec. I'm going to move to 41.
Order canceled.
We'll try to move to 41. Oops.
Order submitted.
I take my first loss of the session. Not everything goes straight up, that's for damn sure. So we make that move back to R1 one more time here. That's my goal I'm looking for. What we got going on here? 101.31, 100 point. Yeah, let's just not worry about that. Okay, we're not going to move from 102.41. We'll take our hit there. how high did that go right there? 102.32. Going to be 102.37 now.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
We'll hold that for a minute until we start seeing something on this side here. In fact, let's go ahead and protect 33.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Goes up there, it's gonna, I don't know where it goes. Guess we can go one tick above.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Be 2 ticks above. Alright, here we go. Let's get one at 5. If we
Order
can.
submitted.
Whoops, no.
Order canceled.
Just 1.
Order submitted.
Damn it, keeps putting
Order
2 in.
canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
I don't know why I keep saying 2. Say 0. So
Order submitted.
keeps saying 2. Alright, well, shit.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Should be flat now. Alright. I'm going to pause here. We'll look at the 2 to 230 now. We will not take another trade on until we get to the last half hour, if I take anything on at all. Be back in a few minutes. Back. I remember why it put in 2. Because after I did that, I forgot to switch this quantity down here. And you're looking at my face right there, but right below my face, and you're watching this recording, there's a quantity tab there that you want to reduce it from 2 down to 1. So that's what I forgot to do. That's why I kept filling in 1. It looks like it was a wise decision to get out right there for now. We'll take a look at the 2. Like I said, I will take a look in about 20 minutes. Now we'll look at the last half hour. It didn't work, you know, it didn't break. So this was the best chance, by the way, for that to take back to the R1 line on this scan signal. Now it kind of made a new high up here based upon what you're seeing. Now you got the big question mark going, right? That's why we want to look at the last half hour. We don't want to play around in this right now. At least I don't. I mean, if it bounced down here, here's where I would have considered going long, by the way. Not up here on the highs. Be back. Alright, so we're at the 2 o'clock mark. 2:03 to be exact. Don't like anything right now. We have a further, let's pull this across. This is, I can say I don't like it, just, this is your 369 tick chart. It's making new highs up here. It's got a long way it can run. what it looks like on the 15-minute chart right now. No, it's 60 minutes, excuse me. 60-minute right now. Next target on the up would be right in that 103.15 area, right? So this up here might be, and then going to new highs at 103.79. So another dollar up from here perhaps into close. Williams percent R is up on the top. MACD's way up here. Personally, I'm going to take a 10-minute break here and look at the. I don't know. We're just going to play it by ear right now. I mean, I'm not excited about getting short, and I don't like getting long on in a high. There's too much risk in it. When if the market moves against you, you can lose 100 ticks real quick. All right, so I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, so here's the 10-minute chart right now. Wondering if our high has been put in. On the swing, I should say. On this current swing. See volume right in there kicking in. So let's see what this does. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right there, that break perhaps into close. At 212 right now, though. Really don't want to get involved until we get into the last 15 minutes, if I get involved at all. We got one eye over here looking at this. Let's blow this chart up here. Get more on here. There was the original trend line that we drew, and it continued to move up. So let's get that GAN trend going thing here. That's what trend channel. Use this. So what I'm wondering right now is if we do push into close, is it going, whoops, wrong thing here. Is it, oh shit. All right, let's try this again. We're pushing down into here, or are we pushing up into here? Could go into here, but I think the last push is going to be one of these two areas. I'm watching %R and MACD right now. That arrow line again. Let's get that going. Kind of what we got right now, right? See what happens above this level. All right, so let's look here. We got one. Let's call this 1, 2, 3 in here. I guess it looks like
Order
it could be a
order
good
filled.
push into the
Order filled.
good push into close coming down. So let's go 87 makes it 99. We'll go 89. Oops, we're in 3, aren't we? Shit.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so let's
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Am I in the sim account right now? Yeah, I'm in sim. Shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh well. That's in the wrong account. Huh. Yeah, I made money in the sim. Hey. All right. I wanted to be up here. All right, now it looks like it's going to push. See if we can bring that line down right in here. Bring this line through here. I'd like to get this line to show up a little bit better on the charts as far as if there's a default setting to make it like 5 instead of whatever that is that 3, I guess. Save the workstation while we're here. 79. There it is. That's what I want to see right up.
Order filled.
99. Let's see if we can get in.
Order filled.
Or flat.
Order filled. Order filled.
Why does it keep saying flat?
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, hold on. I don't know what happened there, but we didn't get in, we didn't get out. Doesn't look like I tried to put in myself in there, but nothing happened. We hit that Fibonacci line. Oh, it's boogieing now. I'm holding out now. No, 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 no. Nay, nay, I say. SIM 101 buy stop line can't be placed below the market. All right, so I said okay to that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Keep saying it's filled, but it's not. Close a position.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Very, very confusing right now. Why it won't. So it just keeps saying order filled, but it didn't. Didn't take any of that. 2661. Bottom liquidate. Oh well. I'm not exactly sure what happened there, but I think because I went in the SIM account. Good till canceled. It says I'm flat. I closed out everything. A little too close now. This is kind of what I'm looking at right now. This is... Now it says I'm in. It says I'm 4 in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
I have no clue what the hell's going on here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm getting crushed right now and I have no clue what happened. It's not... I'm at 8, bot 8. Holy shit. The fuck? How'd I get out of this?
Order filled. Order filled.
It says I'm flat now. No fucking clue what happened there. And that was just bullshit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
The fuck? Why didn't it close me out? What to? Alright. I think I'm it's like 15 seconds behind. I'm out. I'm flat. I believe I'm flattened out. I'm not getting in anymore. Holy shit, was that? That was weird. I did not like whatever happened there. I did not like it. It didn't take it. It didn't show up right away, and that was like long 8. Holy shit! It says my account balance is at 52,377. That's a lot of trades I put on right there. Commission costs. Oh, holy moly. Okay, that was not fun. I don't know what the hell happened there. It didn't take my trade. Ever since I went into that sim, it was like it didn't take it right away, and I had no idea I took $107.12 in commission today by 396. Oh, 27 round turns. What the fuck? Oh my god, I got lucky to get out of this one. Cash value yesterday was Friday was 52,304.56. I'm at 52,377.44. Let's write some numbers down here. Auto liquidate threshold value. Man, I got fucked that time. Why did I get screwed? So at one point I was up 52,727. Wow. Auto liquidate value 5227. Difference between those two looks about what, 500? 2,500? $2,500 difference. I need to take this phone call. I'll be right back. We'll talk. All right, so the difference is 2,500 in the threshold value. That was insane. I definitely there's a fault here in the sim, and you saw it live in real time. It it never showed the quantities on, and it acted like I was at one point I was long 8. That could have really been a painful experience, and I don't know how to explain that right there. I went in the sim account, and then I tried. Then the trades didn't register in the other side in this DOM in the NinjaTrader. Very strange. Now, account balance high. Account balance says it's 52,377 now. Now is at 52,304.56 on Monday. I'm at 0.44 right now, 52,377.44. This was day 4, by the way. That could have been really bad. I still don't know what happened there. It didn't register my trades. It said filled, but it never showed up in the quantity underneath. It never showed that where I was. Even though it said it filled, it was showing flat. Now my picture's in the way right now down here in this bottom corner. Unless you know what? Maybe I don't add the inbox today with me talking, so you can see what happened there. Probably what I'll do is I won't add me in the corner talking. All right, I'm gonna get out of here.